Today, I'll be showing you how to double space in MS Word document. Ensure to watch the video to the very end and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more useful content like this. To begin, open up your documents. Now, to double space for a paragraph, you select or highlight everything in the paragraph. Now let's double space for this paragraph. Highlight everything in the paragraph. Navigate to the paragraph section at the top here. You click on the arrow beside the paragraph. Now you can choose the line spacing. You click on the arrow here and select double. Then you click the OK button below. Now you can see that the paragraph has been doubled. The spaces within the paragraph has been doubled. You can do this for all your text in the page. Just select all the text. You click on the line here. You select double and OK. Now you can see that the line spaces are a bit larger. You can also change the spaces to your desired space. That's all for the video. Hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.